In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Klarna account, 5 minutes. Whether you're checking upcoming payments or reviewing past purchases, logging in is quick and secure when you follow the right steps. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Klarna's official login page. If you prefer the mobile app, you can do the same there. Make sure you're on the legitimate Klarna site or app before entering any details. A fresh browser tab and a stable internet connection will help prevent timeouts during verification. On the login screen, enter the credentials you use for Klarna, typically your registered email address or mobile number, then select Continue. Keep your device nearby because Klarna uses secure verification to confirm it's really you. If you're typing on a shared or public computer, avoid saving your details and plan to sign out when you're done. Next, check your inbox or text messages for a 6-digit code. This one-time code is how Klarna verifies your identity. Codes usually expire quickly, so open the message as soon as it arrives and enter the digits exactly as shown. If you don't see the email, look in your spam or junk folder and ensure your phone has signal for SMS. If the code doesn't arrive after a short wait, you can request a new one from the same screen. Be careful not to request too many back to back, as only the most recent code will work. There's also an alternative way to sign in using a direct login link sent to your email. Open the message from Klarna and click the secure link to complete your login without typing a code. For safety, only click links from messages you're confident are legitimate, and check that the link takes you to Klarna's official domain. If you're on your phone, opening the link on the same device makes the process faster. If this is your first time logging in, you'll be prompted to verify both your phone number and your email. Follow the on screen prompts and be ready to confirm with additional codes sent to each contact method. This extra setup helps protect your account in the future, so keep your contact details up to date. That's it. You're now signed in and ready to manage your Klarna account with confidence. If you found this helpful, keep these tips handy for next time and enjoy a secure, hassle free login experience.